It's time to budget for November. Hi, and welcome back. I'm Kamika, and this is Well Balanced Wallet, where I help you create healthy money habits and live a life that you love on your current budget. Today, we are going to take a look at the November budget and start getting prepared for some of these upcoming holidays. So let's get right into the budget. So as you can see, my budget looks a little bit different. I've added emojis for everything, and I have condensed a few categories, and I've added targets. So if you want to see that process and what I was thinking and exactly what I did, pause this video and go take a look at the budget tour from last week and then come back. Okay, so we have our buffer category here, and we're going to zero this out. And if you're new here, I calculated what it takes for us to survive for 1 month, and it's $3,500, and we live on last month's income. So I save the money here in our buffer category, and I zero it out when I'm getting ready to budget for the next month. Okay, so we have our buffer. And in the last budget with me, I used the auto assign feature, and I kind of like it and I kind of don't, but I feel like I need to use it a little bit more. So what I'm going to do today is select all of the categories that I know I want to fund, and then I'm going to use the auto assign feature, and then I'll go back and update anything that doesn't look just right. Okay, so we're going to select everything in our monthly bills category except for the student loans, because we're not paying on those right now. So we'll select the mortgage, we'll select groceries, restaurants, our spending, our fun money, all of our lifestyle categories. And I want to do the personal care category and the once per year category. Okay, so we're gonna do assign, and we're gonna do underfunded, and that should assign the totals based on my targets. So let's see. Okay, so it assigned everything here, and I have $217 left. So let's just start back at the top and make sure that it added everything that we needed. Okay, so the phone bill is $80. That's good. The internet is $135, so that's good. I'm actually going to take $20 from this category because we had a little bit extra from last month. So let's do that. Subtract 20. And I know it says we need $20 more, but it's okay. Electricity we'll leave at $200. Gas, I only like to have $150 here, but the month isn't quite over yet. We still have a couple days left in October, so I'm gonna just take $30. Let's take $20 from here and move it to ready to assign, because I shouldn't need that full amount. The water bill, that should be good. Car insurance should be good. Life insurance is good. Gym, I got this down to $9.99. It was, I think, $12.99 in the past, but going forward it will be $9.99. Okay, so Apple Music is still a toss-up. I still haven't taken the time to see what comes out of there, but I don't believe it's going to be $46, so let's take 10 from here. So move 10 to ready to assign. Medical bills, we do have some medical bills that came in that we need to pay. The $200 is not going to pay them completely, but it's a start. So we'll leave that there for now. Nothing to the debt snowball category because I am paying extra towards the mortgage, so I just added that into the mortgage category. So the mortgage should be $1,212, and then I pay an extra $75, which is $1,287. And then in the last budget with me, we talked about making another payment towards the principal, which is 1/12 of the total mortgage amount. So that is $101, which brings us to $1,388. home maintenance and repairs, I fund this when we get paid. Because we do make more than $3,500 a month, but that's all we need to cover the necessities and the savings goals that are just a regular part of the budget. So for groceries, I had to increase the amount. We just hit right at the line every time and go just a little bit over, seems like every month. So at this point, I'm just going to increase the amount for now. And I think it has to do a little bit with the price of things going up. But what can you do about it? So I just increased this amount from $330 to $350. So that should be good. Restaurants, $150. Hopefully we can stay under that. Spending money, $25. Household goods, $100. Miscellaneous, $100. Must have had $1 left over. That's fine. Entertainment is $50. Spur of the moment is $50. That's good. My husband is in school. That is funded for this month. Personal care items, $50. That's good. What else did we fund? Okay, so the once a year, this is things that we pay like YNAB subscription, Amazon Prime, Sam's Club, just payments that you only pay once a year and usually forget about. That's what I have this category for. So we put $95, $50. I want to have it fully funded by January 1st. So I think we're on track for that. Yeah, we have this nice little progress bar that says we're on track. So that's good. Okay. So I've gone through everything and we have $267.27 left. Let's see. Oh, my savings challenge. How much do I need to do for November? $166. So let's do that. And let's mark this as done. Okay. And then we have $101.27 left, and we have a bunch of holidays coming up. So I think what I'm going to do is add that here for trips. Is that the best option? I think so. The end of the year is full of holidays and the beginning of the year is full of holidays. So let's go ahead and do 101.27 here. All right, and so all of our money is budgeted. Really quick, before I end this video, I do want to talk about a new feature that just rolled out in YNAB, and I'm still just testing it out, but it seems like it's going to be really cool. They rolled out loan accounts. So I added my mortgage here, and it's going to take into consideration the interest, the minimum payments, and you can calculate what will happen if you make extra payments. So if I made a $3,000 extra payment in October, I could save 8 years and 1 month on my loan. So I think this is really interesting, and I'm ready to actually make a payment so I can test it out and see how the feature works. But I think this is a great way to handle loans. There you can choose the type of loan that you have. So you can have a car loan, a personal loan, mortgage. I think there's a line of credit option. There's several different options. So I think this is a good update for YNAB, and I'm excited to see it in progress. So that is the November budget. If you have any questions about any of the features in YNAB, or if you want me to explain anything that you've seen me do in my budget, just let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know if you've already done your November budget and how you are preparing for the holidays. That's all for this video, so be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and click the link on your screen right now for more Well Balanced Wallet content. See you there.